Today, I'm spilling the mop water on the top 5 mistakes I made running my cleaning business so that you don't have to. These messy mistakes cost me time, cost me money, and in some cases cost me a little bit of sanity. So if you are a super duper brilliant cleaner, but you struggle with the business bits a little bit, then grab a brew because this video is for you. Ready to learn from my mistakes? Let's go. So to begin with, I used to price jobs like I was doing the client a favour and not actually running a business. And guess what? Favours don't pay the bills, nor do they make your business profitable. When I started my business, I was still very much in an employee mindset, and I would take whatever the minimum wage was at that time and would literally bang a couple of quid on the top and not use a proper pricing up formula. To avoid making this mistake yourself, watch how to increase your prices without losing clients and also pricing for profit. These videos will give you templates, will give you formulas, and will give you the scripts to use with your clients. Clients would want Sundays. Clients would tell me that they just needed a quick tidy around. Clients would tell me in what order to clean their bathroom. Clients wanted me to be super duper flexible when they would not be flexible themselves to work with me. And at times I didn't even feel like I was running a cleaning business. It felt like I was playing the part of cleaner who the client orders around. A part that I didn't even audition for. See, here's the thing. Clients are not your boss. They are contracting you in to provide a service either in their home or their business or their Airbnb or whatever it might be, but they are not your boss. They are your clients. You, as the business owner, get to set the rules of engagement and how people interact with your business. To prevent this, we are firstly going to get clear on our terms of service and how people engage with our business. We are going to have onboarding procedures for our clients so that they know how to engage with us, what the rules of communication are, the open and closed hours. And if you're somebody that struggles with boundaries, I would suggest taking a look at this video that will take you through setting some rules so that you can have a life as well as run a business. Okay, so Home Bargains and B&M, they might be great for buying snacks or buying products that you wish to use in your own house. But as a professional cleaning business, it's not it. Buying cheap products at Home Bargains or B&M or a supermarket might seem like a good business investment, but it will work out more expensive over the long term. I didn't realise to begin with that the cheap products actually work out more expensive. They can do damage to sinks and chrome with ongoing use, and they sometimes do not deliver as good a result as professional grade cleaning products. I would invite you to do a cost per clean audit. Are your products saving you money or wasting you money? Saving you time or wasting you time and making you do extra scrubbing that you don't really need to do? Try switching out one product at a time to a commercial grade product. Try and test different products to see what works best for you and your clients. And if you are thinking about going eco possibly for your cleaning products, then I would check out this video of how to do that and replace it slowly over time to become a green cleaner. If you are looking for more support for your cleaning business and would like to join a community of people just like you who understand the path that you're walking, please come and join us in the private Facebook group, Profitable and Productive Cleaning Business Owners. You can scan this little QR code or there will be a link in the description. In the beginning of my business, I said yes to everything, whether I knew how to do it or not.
Can you strip floors? Yes. Do you do deep cleans? Yes. Do you do entertainment clean? Yes. Do you commercial clean? Yes. I will figure out the details later.
I hired, I advertised, I kept growing.
As a side note, just so you know, growing a business comes with costs. It's actually quite expensive, especially if you grow rapidly with no structure or strategy in place. This is a mistake I learned the hard way because everyone thinks, oh, growing a business is great. Yes, I'll take on all that business. I'll take on all this business. I'll do all of this. And then you realize you've got to pay for all of this business, and it will be, a while to recruit that business back. I'm going to do a separate video on this because this is a whole topic within itself, and growth needs to be something that we plan for so we don't end up bankrupting ourselves or paying catch up with our cash flow because we took on too much business too fast.
I hired, I advertised, I said yes to everything, and you know what? In my back office, chaos. No checklists, no manuals, no strategy, no processes, doing everything from scratch every time I had to do something. No structure, just vibes.
And mainly stressed out ones at that.
I would really advise you to start small and scale slowly. I had my arse smacked on more than one occasion for taking on business too quickly, and it was a very harsh lesson to learn that I would like you to avoid, to keep money in your bank and to keep your brain sane while you do actually scale and grow the business. To systemize your business, we're going to do it one section at a time. So build one system at a time. That can be your payroll system, your credit control system, your hiring system, your client attraction system.
And if this is something that makes you go, what is she talking about? This is exactly my superpower. If you would like a strategy or a process, or you would like to automate something in your business so it does it exactly the same time every time, whether it's the 5th time or the 100th time, then book a one-to-one call with me to discuss what is hurting you the most in your business right now, that I can help you put in a system, put in some automation, and make you go, oh, that feels so much better. Links in the description.
You can also check out this video that will take you through how to systemize your business so that eventually it runs without you. In the beginning of my business, I built a business that was so dependent on me, I couldn't leave it, not even for a day. And I wasn't the boss, I was the prisoner. As I've talked about before in a previous video, I have several autoimmune conditions and have been in hospital many times throughout the 16 years of running my business. And so it was imperative at some stage that I had to put in systems because the business would have had to have closed because of how inconsistent I was with my health. And so I had to build systems and put in people in place and drain most of my profit, having people run the business for me.
I'll do a more detailed video at another time going over why I decided to use so much of my profits to have other people to keep my business going for me when I was so inconsistent with health, as it's just a bit of a big topic to cover in this video.
And all I did in the end was create a beautiful golden cage around myself. When we start off in business, I was like, I want a franchise. I want to take over the world. I want 50 billion branches. And when I got to the stage of having multiple branches and big teams, and I got to that top of that mountain, which is the one I thought I wanted, I thought, this is not actually what I want at all. And the problem with building such a big and golden cage is that you have nobody you can go and slap in 2 weeks' notice to. You can become quite stuck by a cage that you designed and created around yourself. So ask yourself, what is it that you want from your cleaning business? What is it that you are trying to build? Are you trying to build something that gives you a comfortable living, allows you to be flexible around your children or your family, or maybe you take care of elderly relatives? Whatever it is, do you want a lifestyle business? Are you trying to build a brand? Do you want a franchise one day? Because there's a saying that goes, be careful what you wish for, because you just might get it. And sometimes it's not what we thought it would be or what it is that we want. So begin with the end in mind. Even if you are a brand new, just set up this week cleaning business, if you could go forward 5 years, or if you could go forward 3, 10, whatever your time scale is with yourself, what is it that you want to build? What is it that you are looking to achieve? Ask yourself, am I creating something to sell? Am I creating something to create a family business? Am I creating something that I want to franchise? Am I creating something that I can put in lots of systems and leave the business to run without me while I pursue other things?
And again, if you are not sure, if you are confused on your goal, on your path, the clarity of what it is that you want to do with your business, book a free one-to-one call with me, bestie. Link in the description below, and let's find out what it is you actually want so we can create a plan for you to get it.
So these were some of my biggest bloopers and pain causing points in my business. Have you experienced any of these? Or have you experienced maybe a different problem that you think the new people to our industry definitely need to know about this? If you do, pop it in the comments and let's all learn from one another. This was one of the main reasons for the Made in Business Challenge, to help other cleaning businesses avoid the mistakes that cost me money, cost me time, and made me cry and rock in a corner. If this video has hit home for you, please like it, please subscribe, and also please come join us in the Profitable and Productive Cleaning and Business Owners group. I would love to see you there. So thank you for your time and for being here. I'm going to be back here next Wednesday with a brand new video, but until then, you stay sparkling. Bye bye.